Welcome back. This is Vernice Customs, showing you a couple tips. Preparation. 7 P's. Proper preparation and planning prevents piss poor performance. Squeezing off some catalyst here. Today I'm using vinyl ester. We usually mix about 1.5%. A lot goes into deciding how much hardener you're going to add. Thickness of the laminate, temperature. Mix well. Scrape from the sides, bottom. Mix very well. I've reused this stick probably, I don't know, 3,000 times. That roller I've probably used 10, 15 times. Dip it. Pretty wet in the surface, not necessary, but it will prevent air bubbles from gathering on the surface. This is 3/4 ounce mat. This is the skin coat. This part is not gel coated. The mold is just a form really, and it'll be refinished later. You can stretch the mat, you can see there. Usually it helps just to get a little bit wet, and then you can pull it where you want. The styrene in the resin dissolves the powder that is the binder that holds the mat together. Here I'm just hard rolling out the air that's trapped on the surface. You'll see those little white patches or light colored patches. That's either fiberglass that's not completely wet or air trapped on the surface. This is a 9 ounce double bias IE. Just shaking out the acetone out of the brush. You really don't want to put acetone on the surface. This is another layer of 3/4 ounce mat. I'm using it as a binder. That 9 ounce doesn't have any mat stitched in. If you're doing woven roving, multiple layers, or a double biax with no mat stitched in, you should do a 3/4 ounce or any chop strand mat in between the layers. cannot stress enough how important it is to keep your hands clean. Acetone just makes the mat fall right off your gloves. Look how clean the handles are on my tools. Keeping those hands clean. Keep your tools clean too. Now I'm going to scrape the resin off that roller. I will reuse that roller. That's how we scrape the resin off. Here I'm drawing resin out of the laminate. This helps with the fiberglass to resin ratio. Makes a stronger part, less shrinkage. That's it. And if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, maybe share with a friend, and I'll keep doing it. Thank you.